it's your girl Eonnie Dear here, and Happy New Year. I know I've been gone for about like 2 months. I think it's 2 months. I wasn't there for the whole of October, Halloween, for the whole of Vlogmas. Your girl was stressed, COVID, everything, life, work, being essential, working in a bank, too much. But your girl is back now. So the reason why I took that break was just to get everything together, get stuff that I needed, just focus on working, focusing on home, focus on making my backdrop. Hello, cute. I had a good Christmas. It was you know, it was what it needed to be. We couldn't do, couldn't go out and, as anyone go see the tree, because I live in New York City, so we couldn't go see the tree like how I usually like to. But who cares? I'm alive. My family is doing good, thank goodness. Things to be grateful for. So that is all good. I had to get my mental right for all of that. Things was going down, whatever, but everything's good. So just Happy New Year's. I've made my resolution for this channel. Every Friday at 12 p.m. I will be uploading a video. So every Friday, 12 p.m. video, me. You're gonna see me. We're still gonna be doing the regular skincare. We're still gonna be doing the regular makeup looks. We're still gonna be doing skin talk. We're gonna do a couple of Korean videos. I would like to do reaction videos, but we're gonna have to figure that out. Even if I have to show my TikTok, just do a compilation of the week or maybe of the month TikTok compilation of my Korean reaction videos, because I mostly do that on there. Yeah, so anyway, so what else? Yeah, just makeup, skin. I got Rihanna Fenty skin. I love it. Even though I have sensitive skin, I have eczema. It doesn't irritate me. It's very soft. It's very moisturizing. I just brought the 3-starter. I bought it around, I think, I got it for Christmas, but I bought it for myself around Black Friday, wrapped it up and all of that, and then I opened it Christmas, whatever, and I love it. It looks so cute. Anyways, I have notes here because I need to stay on point. Your girl be drifting. Okay, so big change. My hair, hello, we've cut it off. We've taken off the blonde. We've started anew. I cut off all the dyed parts. We're gonna be starting fresh. It's not a big chop because I've been cutting my hair, but we're just gonna take care of it. I'm gonna show you all of that. I'm gonna show you my journey, my length. We're gonna grow it back out. I'm gonna show you what I do to keep it in this style. Really easy. I have like curly hair, as you know. You've seen. If you don't know, scroll back, go back, videos. You'll see my hair, what type of hair I have. You'll see how I get this style. We'll do length checks. I'll show you how I deep treat it. I'll show you what products I use. I have new products. Since I got short hair, the girl spend a little coin, because I ain't gonna have to use much. So we could spend a little something. So I bought a whole set, body. I'll show you everything. So it's lots to come for the new year. Every Friday, hello. And your girl gotta be consistent because we're doing it for this year. We're not gonna take no months off. We're not gonna do that. I promise. We're gonna make commitments. And even though I'm working, I'm still gonna do it. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm back. Your girl's back. Be prepared to see me every Friday. You better miss me. I hope you miss me. I have a tree. It's gonna come down. It's dry. Ooh, look, hear it. Ooh. Anyways, but yeah, I might get a plant after I take this down, so you can have something in the the cuteness. But anyways, I'm so glad to be back. I can't wait to see you every Friday, and I can't wait for my next video. I'm gonna be talking about me, obviously, but how I got my name, where I'm from, so we can get to know each other. We gotta figure this out. We gotta start anew. New year, new me, boo. Anyways, see you next Friday. Bye bye.